Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And what I have today is recently, I say recently, but it's end of last year, 24, that I purchased this Camry 2025. Okay, this is the SE model, 2025, and I'd like to review you guys that ever wonder. So this is the sticker price for it. You can see here, but there's two particular items that I'm gonna review for you guys, which is the emergency assistant kit. Now, if you ever wonder what that is, and which I haven't not opened yet, which cost me $89, and the other item is the first aid kit for $29. All right, so we're gonna take a look at what is gonna in there in the content included in those two package. Okay, and it's really worth it, that price. Again, the two is the emergency assistant kit. The part number is EK100, and the first aid kit, which is the KA100. Okay, doke. All right, let's review those. Open up and see what we have inside. All right, guys. Okay. So here we are. I'm gonna review the first aid kit first, folks, which is this guy. Okay, so the package here is the first aid kit. Costs $29. All right. So let's see what's involved in this package. Let's open it. Okay, so as you can expect, see, here's the packaging. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I hope you can see that, but basically what this kit had include is 10 flexible adhesive strip, 10 butterfly bandages, 3 extra large adhesive strips, 3 gouge pads sterile, 3 sting relief pads, 3 cleansing towelettes, 1 stretch gouge roll sterile, 1 adhesive tape, 1 elastic bandage with clips, 1 triangle bandage with 2 pins, 4 face masks, 4 pairs of vinyl gloves, 4 hand sanitizer packages, and then there's references and utility, which is 1 large grip scissor, 1 tweezer / magnifier, and 1 first aid instruction booklet. Then basically that's what you have in this. Okay, so as you can hear so there's the instruction for the mask. As you can see, here's the first aid booklet. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so there is some tip on this booklet for heart attack, stroke. So there's some common emergency first aid step here. Okay, so this is probably good to be read beforehand. I don't know. Yeah, so not sure if it's an emergency. You can, oh, maybe it's useful. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, like the like CPR stuff, guys. I mean, yeah, I don't know if this stuff you probably have to read beforehand. Otherwise, in an emergency, it's kind of be very difficult to be able to go through these material. right? And practice. But anyhow, this is what the booklet is. Okay. So here are the instant hand sanitizer. So there's 4 package. All right. So yeah. So I guess I won't. As I read through that, it's basically all bandages and strip here. You can see. Yeah. So again, you guys tell me if this whole thing is worth the $29. All right. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm just reviewing this, so you're all wondering, what would I receive, when I purchase the vehicle, right? So these are the items you would get in here. Here's the face mask. This is pretty the common one. It has written, in maybe these are Japanese, hopefully, and not Chinese, right? Manufacturer. Well, actually, I could be wrong. It's manufactured in China, folks, for these fish. Yeah. See, here, right here, Hubei, Qinyang, King for medical material. Yeah, it's in Qianjiang, Hubei, China, right there. All right, and here are the gloves, and here are the rest. The cleaning towelette and all that. And here's the roll of and here's the gouges, roll of gouges. Okay, yeah. So you guys can leave me a comment as far as if this package is worth the $29. Yeah, you get a nice pouch though. Yeah, pretty much Toyota quality, right? All right, so we'll move on to the next one. All right, so here is the emergency assistant kit. All right, so hopefully you can see the part number here, PT 420-00130. This item was priced at $89. All right, so let's open up and see what's in here. And nowadays, when you purchase the vehicle, it's a lot of things that they package into the price, and you wonder, what am I paying for? So here's the pouch. It has a nice emergency logo. It has a nice Toyota. Okay, this is just kind of painted on, not embroidered or anything like that. All right, it looks like 2 bags. Neat looking. Okay, let me. All right. Here's the Velcro handle. Right. And zipper. Alrighty, so okay. First item I see here is the strap. So I'm not sure that this strap is for what, for the unit or for the. But beforehand, let's read what the content has. Oh, okay. So it has the booster cable. bungee cord, hose tape, shop tower, emergency poncho. Hey, it's for rain also. Okay. Pair of cotton wood gloves, emergency blanket, hand squeeze flashlight, multi-tool, tire pressure gauge, and tether strap. So I guess that was the tether strap. This thing here. That's what we... And here's the poncho that you will get in yellow. And yeah, well organized in here. And here's the gloves. One pair of gloves. Cotton with the rubber grip. Okay. And here is the flashlight. Yeah, this is one of those that you squeeze the handle to generate the power. So let's make sure it works. Again, this is one of those, right? Okay. Okay, so this thing is to release the handle, and it works. Yeah, what do you know? Okay, so yeah, and here's very smooth. Yeah, so when you run out of power, you just spin this thing, squeeze, and to generate more power for it. Alright, and then when you lock up, just press in and press this to lock and tap. Yeah, this thing was pretty handy. Yeah, I like the generate power by squeezing this thing. I have used it similar in the past, and it works quite well. So anyway, so this is flashlight. Ready? Come in here. Okay, this next is the heat reflective survival wrap. So this is like a reflective aluminum that you probably to heat up in the coal or something if you hypothermia. Yep, you get one of these microfiber tower. All right, and along with this one of those pressure gauge tire. All right, and you get one roll of hose tape. Not sure what that's for, but and your battery jumper cable. Ready? So yeah, it's decent gauge, I would say, but not. Let me see what kind of how many gauge is this wire, if it has any indication for me. But it's it's not that thick. I don't think. Interesting is it doesn't have any written stamp on. So I don't know how many gauge is this cable. Alrighty. And on top of that, you get the bungee cord. Okie doke. The last item in this emergency kit, which is the multi-tool. It has a pouch like this, and so it's basically a plier, everything in here, knives and all that. Look like it's stainless. Let's see, lock mechanism. So here we go. Yeah. So it's like a plier. Very sharp edges to me. I mean, yeah. It's hard to put it back. Okay, so it's like that, folks. That's a knives. That's a file and a saw. Look pretty sharp for emergency, like a survival kit. What's this thing? That's a bottle opener, and also a can opener. And okay, let me see. Yeah, boy, tough, hard to get out. Okay, so let me open that. And then there's also one item in here which I'm interested in getting out for you. Not sure how to get it out, but it's embedded in here. It's like a screwdriver. There's okay. Yep. Not sure what that thing is for, but yeah, it looked like a. So one thing I'm really curious is this thing doesn't have a screwdriver, is it? Oh no, there is. Okay, so there's a screwdriver here also. I was wrong. Okie doke. But basically that's what you have. And that's, yeah, open the knives. And there's a screwdriver that you would pop out. Okie dokie. Kind of neat, but yeah, I'm not so sure. It seemed to be like very hard to open. All right, so just be careful in these things. All right, so that's what all you have in here in this whole emergency kit. That's basically conclude this emergency kit. And yeah, no tie inflator or anything like that. Okay, folks, and that's all. That is $89. All right, so yeah, I want to review this for all you guys, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, what do I get with the two kit? Okay, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, and if you really like me, please consider subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you on the next video. All right, thank you all. Bye bye.